Hi, Gary here with Automatic Door Hardware. What I have here is a Global Closures Series 7000 overhead concealed TC7010LP. This is a closure body only, 105 degree hold open. Generally your door closure is stamped on the spindle here. HO, which stands for hold open, and it says the degree for opening 105 degree. If it has nothing on there, it's most likely no hold open. This comes with the instructions for installing it. Comes with the speed settings here for closing, and then the sweep. This is available at autodoorandhardware.com.